I don't talk to Julius Malema anymore, says Floyd Shivambu, the leader of the Africa Maibuye movement. Let us listen to this clip.
You ever talk to Julius these days?
I don't. I've never gotten time to. Do you know that this thing is simple? Well, a political relationship. It was a political relationship, and of course, because we're working together and everything else, that is how it happened. So we don't interact. Even with President Zuma, I saw him from the distance when we went to Umkhosi Mhlanga, but we've not got to interact.
So what did you do? You just went?
No. Like we're very far from each other. I was sitting with the leadership of Maibuye, but also where we're sitting, there was some of the senior traditional leaders, and then the members of parliament and from different political parties, and small talk. So we're busy now with Maibuye. So majority of the people that we are speaking to are those who are interested in Maibuye.
Floyd Shivambu here is giving an interview.
I've always wanted to ask.
After
the
Maibuye consultation processes have concluded, Floyd Shivambu has been going around, of course, conducting interviews, explaining the processes. But you know that the media houses, they keep asking him about what happened in the EFF and also what happened in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. So he has responded to a question about his relationship with the leader of the Economic Freedom Fighters, Julius Malema. As you know that Julius Malema and Floyd Shivambu, they co-founded the Economic Freedom Fighters. And when last year Floyd Shivambu left the EFF, after 10 years, actually it was 11 years, after 11 years in the EFF, having co-founded the EFF and having contributed so much in terms of the discussion documents, the policies, ideological outlook, and all of that. So that shocked the country to say these people were seen as brothers. But we know that subsequent to that, Floyd Shivambu had gone publicly to denounce this brotherhood thing and say that that now ties people to behave like gangsters and all of that. So he denounced this brotherhood with Julius Malema. So here he has been asked that, is he still talking to Julius Malema? He said, no, he's no longer talking with Julius Malema, and he sees no need. He sees no need for him to be talking to Julius Malema because their relationship was a political relationship. So once that political relationship ended, he does not see the need to continue talking to Julius Malema when the political relationship which had brought them together has ended. I don't know what you guys make of that, because at the end of the day, I'm of the view that all the forces that claim to represent the natives, the black masses, leaders ought to put the egos aside in an attempt to unite the natives for a revolutionary program that will deliver total liberation. So are we going to see that, or that is going to be scumbered by the egos that the leaders have and the issues, unresolved issues that they have amongst each other? I don't know how you guys make of that. Go to comment section and give me your views, guys. My name is Tebus Kosana. The name of the platform is Izula Bansundu, the voice for Africans. Thank you very much.